Every year I move my citrus trees from outside in the driveway in the sun inside to my garage when it gets cold. And unfortunately, as they've grown, they've gotten much heavier and it's really difficult to get them in and out of the garage once in the beginning of the season and at the end of the season. But I also like to take them out on what I call field trips so that they can have some sun on warm days. The problem is getting them in and out of the garage. I've tried rigging a furniture dolly to drag them in and out. And I've also carried them in and out. This is a lot of work and I've decided there's gotta be an easier way. Today, I'm going to put together some of these Vego self-watering rolling planters and see if that works much better than the current way I'm taking them in and out of the garage. The most time-consuming part of putting them together was removing the protective film, but the pieces went together very easy. The first one took a little while. I had to read the instructions several times. It probably took 30-35 minutes, but the other ones, they went together much easier once I knew what I was doing and probably only took 20 to 25 minutes. I did not realize that 2 of the wheels on every planter have these locking mechanisms so that you can make it that the planter won't move. I actually really liked that function and didn't even know I wanted it. All of my citrus trees have probably been in their containers for 4 or 5 years. They are definitely a bit root bound. I'm going to tease out the bottom of the roots and give them some more space to grow with these planters. I'm going to fill all the planters with a good quality planting mix. I'm using Veggie Mix and it's peat free and I just really like it. It's from Soil Cube, but just use any good quality potting soil that you want. I am really pleased with how easy these planters are to roll. I'll spare you from having to watch the rinse and repeat of getting all the rest of these planted. I had a hard time getting some of them out of their pots and they were so root bound. I actually had to use a hori knife to cut some of the bottom roots and untangle them. Here's what my citrus tree situation looked like before, and here's the after. So much better. And now it's so much easier to take them in and out of the garage on warm, sunny days, and also to put them away for winter and bring them back out for good in the spring. I am really loving these.